Hi there. So this video is all about Hlookup. Most of the Excel users have an idea about what is a VLOOKUP, wherein we try to see the vertical data. Now, Hlookup stands for horizontal lookup. So what do we do in that? We do a lookup wherein we will try to get a value from the horizontal data which is being given to us. So Hlookup will look up for a value in a row, whereas a VLOOKUP will look up for a value in your columns. Okay, now let's say we have this data. Okay, so I'm just type in, so this is the name of the students ABCDE and these are the marks. Okay, now suppose you want to fetch marks of C in management. So what would be the formula? You can use the Hlookup out here. So type in Hlookup. Now he will ask you for the lookup value. Now what is the lookup value? We'll open the brackets out here. We'll open the inverted commas out here. Okay, once you do that, just do this. Okay, so this is how. Now remember, Hlookup is insensitive to data. That is, it's not case sensitive. So even if I type a small c, it will pick up this value. Okay, now your next is to give the table array. So I'll provide for the table array out here. Okay, and then I need to give the row index number. What is that? See, we are looking out for marks in management. So you can see here it is fourth row value which I'm looking out for. So I'll type in 4. In case if you're looking out for marks in economics, then you will type for row 3. Okay, now once that is done, you will go for a comma and then you will get this particular box which will say you are looking out for approximate match or exact match. We'll say we are looking out for exact match, so it would be false. Fine, and then we'll press enter. So you will get the marks. You can see here. So this is useful when you have a large amount of data and you want to Hlookup. Now let's see, suppose instead of D, the name here is Dan. Okay, now remember Hlookup supports wildcard characters. Okay, so we'll press the formula. So we'll again enter this formula. Now the lookup value here would be D, and then you really don't know what is the full name, but you know there's someone with a name D. Okay, so what you'll do in that case, you will put a star. Fine. So when it says star, so anything which starts with D, that would be taken up by this formula. Okay, so we'll say D star, close the inverted commas, press the comma, and then we'll give the table array. Okay, so this is my table array. Now I'm looking out for marks in management for D. Okay, so I'll say fourth row and I want the exact match, so I'll go for false and I'll press enter. So you can see I got the value. Okay, now let's move further. Now sometimes what happens is that you would have different sheets. Okay, so let's say you have this same data which is being given out here, but for one subject, that is this business finance, the data is given in sheet 2. So here if I want the data, I'll use the Hlookup formula. Now you can see here the formula used is B17, so that's the value I'm looking out for, and then I'm giving the reference of sheet 2, selecting A1 to F2. Okay, and then I'm saying I'm looking out for row number 2 because we are looking out for marks in business finance, and then I'm going for exact match. Okay, once you drag this formula out here, it will be applicable for all the students. Okay, so this is one thing which we can do. Now let's see how Hlookup can be used as an array formula. Okay, I've already done this out here, but let's do it once again. So you want marks of C for all the subjects. Okay, that is 70, 78, 90. We want it in this manner. So what you will do is you will select all the cells which you can see the way I have selected. now you will put in Hlookup. Okay, open the brackets so the formula can be inserted, and I'll say C, close the inverted commas, press comma, and then give the table array. Now this is my table array I'm looking out for. Okay, now how many cells I have selected? 6, because I want all the marks of C. So I would want the cells to display C and the marks. Okay, so that would be what I need. So I'll use these curly brackets, type in 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, close these curly brackets. Fine. Next we will say we are looking out for exact match. Okay, now once this is done, you will close the bracket, but don't press enter. Press Ctrl Shift Enter simultaneously. Saw the magic? So all the marks of C came in together. So this is how Hlookup can be used in different scenarios. Thanks for watching the video.